Welcome back to Top Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to fix P008A low pressure fuel system, pressure too low. If you're getting P008A code, it's because the computer detected that the fuel pressure is too low in the fuel system. Now, if fuel pressure is too low, it can cause all sorts of engine issue. For example, it can cause hard start, it can cause no start, it can cause engine to misfire, and it can also cause engine to run poorly, and so on. Now, let's talk about what is the most common reason why fuel pressure is going to be low. The first and most common reason, it is going to be caused by a failing fuel pump. When that fuel pump is failing, caused by a weak electric motor, it can cause low fuel pressure. If you look at the fuel pump, there's going to be a strainer right next to the electric motor. Now, if that strainer becomes clogged, caused by sediment inside the fuel, again, it can cause low fuel pressure. Also, make sure there's enough power going to the fuel pump, because if there is resistance caused by maybe a corroded wire, it can cause the fuel pump to not receive enough power, and it can cause the fuel pump motor to spin slower, again causing low fuel pressure. The next reason why you're getting P008A code is because maybe you got a clogged fuel filter. If that fuel filter is clogged, again, it can also cause low fuel pressure, again triggering that code. The next reason, it is going to be caused by either a faulty fuel pressure regulator, which this is going to be used on older vehicle, or a faulty fuel pressure sensor, which is going to be used on more modern vehicle. Now, if the fuel pressure regulator or fuel pressure sensor start to fail, it cannot properly regulate fuel going to the fuel rail. Again, it can cause low fuel pressure. If the vehicle is equipped with a fuel pressure regulator, one way to tell if the fuel pressure regulator is bad is to remove the hose. And if you see fuel coming out of the hose, it means that the diaphragm inside the fuel pressure regulator had fell, and it is causing the fuel pressure regulator to not work properly. For some vehicle, it is going to come with a fuel pump module. The purpose of the fuel pump module is to help regulate voltage going to the fuel pump. So it is going to precisely control the amount of voltage going to the fuel pump to tell it how fast that motor should spin, which is going to be a good thing because now the vehicle is going to run more efficient, and also it's going to help with gas mileage. When you have a fuel pump control module, it is going to eliminate the need to have a fuel pump relay. So if you're looking for a fuel pump relay and you can't find it, then most likely you're going to have a fuel pump control module. If you can't find out what the problem is, maybe it is time to check for restriction. Maybe there is a restriction somewhere in the fuel line, especially if that fuel line is either corroded or rusted. I hope you found this lesson useful. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.